Learn how to use Canva for your YouTube channel right here at the Creator Classroom. Recently, I asked ChatGPT to give me 50 different, the keyword is different, suggestions on how to use Canva for YouTube. Today, we're going to break down the final 10 options that they gave to see if they're a good idea or not. Will ChatGPT get a passing grade or will it be a complete failure? Create video explainer videos to teach complex concepts or topics. I've talked about the feature before. If you are using Chrome, so let me grab a Chrome browser. We're going to go to Uploads, and there's a record yourself function. You can actually record yourself, and you can use camera only, you can use camera and screen, and you can use screen. If this sounds familiar, it's because it is. Basically, ChatGPT keeps giving me the same ideas. You can record. Now, it's going really laggy for me right now because I am streaming myself in StreamYard and I'm streaming myself in Canva. So, not streaming, recording myself. So, we're going to press record, see how it goes. Ooh. How many ways can you use Canva for YouTube? Let me know in the comments below. So, click done. So, here it is, and we're going to save and exit. It will upload. So that one looked really laggy, and I'm pretty sure it's because I'm streaming at the same time. Design custom video quizzes to engage your audience. That's an interesting idea. I don't know that I would do a video quiz, but maybe I would do a YouTube community post. And if I were to do a YouTube community post quiz, then what I would do is I would go to social media, and I would choose Instagram post square size because square size is great for YouTube community post. Let's see if there is a quiz. There's a quiz template. So, like, I could use this one. I could put a question for my audience, and then they would be able to comment below. You can make it a GIF by animating something. So, let's animate the text here with a wipe animation. And then you click share, download. Instead of an MP4, you would share it as a GIF and then download it. And then you would go to your community tab. You can click add an image, and this is where you can add your GIF. Now, I don't have that new one. It's not downloaded yet, but here's another one I created, and you can just add it, and the GIF will replay over and over again. Countdowns. So countdown timers are kind of a little bit controversial for YouTubers. Some creators love it. Some creators hate it. Some viewers love it. Some viewers hate it. You have to decide what's best for you and your audience. I use a countdown timer for my premieres, but those are automatically done for me in YouTube Studio. I occasionally will create a countdown timer for my live streams. If I need a little extra time to get ready, then I will use that. That way everyone knows that I'm live, but it's just going to be a minute or two until the live stream gets started. It's very, very simple. Go to video, and then we're going to click video. Let's see if I type in countdown. Look, a countdown timer. There's a whole bunch of different video options here. Or you can look in Elements and search for countdown timer. And in videos there, you've got different lengths. Now, is there a 2-minute timer? There's a 1-minute timer. And I know some of them aren't right because that one says 40 minutes, but then it's 25 seconds long. There's a 5-minute timer. So let's say that I wanted my countdown timer to be 5 minutes. So I would click it. I would click set video as backgrounds, and there we go. I could add music easily by either looking in the music, let's see, the audio tab, but I personally don't use Canva's audio library for my YouTube channel. I've found it a bit complicated to connect Canva to my YouTube channel in order to be able to use their music without any problems. So what I do instead is I upload my own audio files into Canva and put that if I'm creating a countdown timer in Canva and I want it to match. We'll just grab this. All right, so then it's going to be on a separate line, this audio track. Now, this one's not as long as the 5-minute timer. So what if I wanted it to be less, like 3 minutes instead? Let's try that. Something like that. And then it would go through the song. Very controversial. Think about how you feel when you're watching a video and it's got a 5-10 minute countdown timer at the beginning. A lot of audience members don't know that they can just skip that countdown timer if they're watching it on replay. I do. If I'm watching it on replay, I just skip the timer because I know most of the time there's not going to be any information there that I need. But you can also use it as a way to educate your audience, or maybe even use a pre-recorded video for that countdown timer instead. Create video tutorials to teach. Okay, this one's a repeat. I've talked about this one in a past video. You could record your screen and teach what's on your screen if you're teaching, like how to play a video game or something like that. Or in my case, how to use Canva. Ooh, newsletters. That's a great one. Newsletter. So there's a whole bunch of different newsletter templates. If you have an email list, you can send these out. That's a great way to use Canva. I love that idea. In fact, I like it so much, I'm going to give it a green rating. Unboxing videos to showcase. Okay, so they don't mention unboxing, but they do showcase products. So basically, you just use your video editor in Canva to create amazing videos, right? You use the transitions, you use animations, use text, use B-roll, everything. Look, and this is another one. This one says showcase products, product demo. It's the same thing. So that's going to get a red score for me. Design custom video surveys to collect feedback from your viewers. If you have ideas on how this could be done, let me know in the comments. I would love to gather more feedback from you about this specific topic. See what I did there? That's 3 out of these 10 that are the same thing. Your opinion on a product or service. My opinion is that ChatGPT gives a lot of duplicate options in different ways. You have to be smart enough to see which ones are duplicates and which ones aren't. Otherwise, what if I'd said 10 different ways to use Canva for YouTube and 5 of them were the same exact thing? Create custom video podcasts to share your thoughts and ideas with your audience. So that's a good one too. And again, you would do it the same way. How would I score ChatGPT? I actually think that some of the ways are fantastic. So if I were giving this a pass-fail, then ChatGPT would pass. If I were to give this number grade, it would probably be more like an 80, 75, 80. There's just too many duplicates in what I requested. I'm going to collect 10 of my favorite ideas for how to use Canva for YouTube that ChatGPT gave us. So what I need you to do is let me know in the comments which one of these ideas is your favorite. If you can give me a timestamp, that's even better, because I might include some of your comments in that video. You may not have seen all of these videos yet, and I've got a playlist of all of the ideas that ChatGPT gave me on how you can use Canva for your YouTube channel. If you are interested in that, then click into this playlist, and I'll see you next time. Bye.